Hello and very welcome everyone to this session of Current Affairs 29th January 2025. In today's session, we are going to discuss the event happened on this day that will be helpful for our upcoming exams. So let's start and see. Before we start, the images, text and other materials used in our presentations are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners. If you are the owner and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the same. So first we discuss about the foreign relations. The overview of Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto D. Jojo Hadi Kusumo's visit to India from January 23 to 26, 2025. So Indonesian president was on the visit to India and was also invited in the 26th January Republic Day parade as a chief guest. So let's talk about him and let's know that what was the outcomes of his visit. So President Prabowo Subianto of Indonesia visited India from January 23rd to 26, 2025, marking his first bilateral trip to the country. Recently, he was appointed in 2024 as the president, and the largest ever cabinet was also organized in Indonesia under his presidency. The visit commemorated the 75th anniversary of India-Indonesia diplomatic relations. On 26 January, President Subianto attended India's 76th Republic Day celebration as the chief guest at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. He held bilateral discussion with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Draupadi Murmu during the visit. The trip saw the signing and renewal of 5 MOUs that were memorandums of understandings covering areas like health, traditional medicine, and maritime security. So here is the president, Indonesian president Prabowo Subianto, and he was on his visit and he also participated as a chief guest in the 76th Republic Day celebration. Now another one. So Ministry of Finance notified Unified Pension Scheme for central government employees to be effective from 1st April 2025. So Ministry of Finance notified the Unified Pension Scheme as an option for central government employees covered under the National Pension System. The scheme aims to provide assured pensions to retirees, ensuring financial security post-retirement. UPS will come into effect from 1st April 2025 and will be monitored by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. The scheme is voluntary for existing NPS employees, but switching to UPS cannot be reversed once opted. Under UPS, employees will contribute 10% of their basic salary and DA, while the government's contribution increase from 14% to 18.5%. So do remember, the Ministry of Finance has notified the Unified Pension Scheme for central government employees. 55th annual meeting of WEF, that is World Economic Forum, held in Switzerland from January 20 to 24, 2025. So the 55th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum was held in Davos, Klosters, Switzerland from January 20 to 24, 2025. The meeting's theme was Collaboration for the Intelligent Age, with the 5 sub-themes focusing on growth, industries, people, planet, and trust. India's delegation was led by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, comprising 5 union ministries, 3 chief ministers, and other state leaders. 13 new industrial clusters joined WEF's Transitioning Industrial Cluster Initiative, bringing the total to 33 across 16 countries. The 31st Annual Crystal Award was announced, honoring individuals like architect Riken Yamamoto and fashion designer Diane von Furstenberg. So that is all about the 55th annual meeting of World Economic Forum that was held in Davos, Switzerland. WHO declares Georgia as the 45th malaria-free country. The World Health Organization officially certified Georgia as malaria-free in January 2025. Georgia became the 45th country globally and the first in the WHO European region to achieve malaria-free status. The country successfully interrupted transmission of three main malaria parasite species: P. falciparum, P. malariae, malaria, and P. vivax. This achievement comes after Georgia's renewed commitment to eliminating malaria through the 2005 Tashkent Declaration. WHO grants malaria-free certification when a country demonstrates interruption of indigenous transmission for at least 3 consecutive years. So that is all about WHO, and do remember that WHO has declared Georgia as the 45th malaria-free country. And recently, which country has abolished any kind of aid to WHO? That is USA. Let's do some questions now. So what was the primary purpose of Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto visit to India from January 23rd to 26, 2025? Options are to attend a global climate change conference, to negotiate a new trade agreement, to commemorate the 75th anniversary of India-Indonesia diplomatic relations, to discuss regional security issues. And answer for this question will be C option, to commemorate the 75th anniversary of India-Indonesia diplomatic relations. Now let's read more on this. The visit of Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto to India from January 23 to 26, 2025 was primarily to commemorate the 75th anniversary of India-Indonesia diplomatic relations. This was explicitly stated in the overview of his visit. Additionally, the visit included other significant activities such as attending India's 76th Republic Day celebration as the chief guest, holding bilateral discussions with Indian leadership, and signing various MOUs, but the commemoration of the diplomatic anniversary was highlighted as a key aspect of the trip. So answer for this question is C option. When will the Unified Pension Scheme for central government employees come into effect? Options: 1st January 2024, April 1st, 2024, January 1st, 2025, April 1st, 2025. And answer for this question will be 1st April 2025. So let's read more on this. So according to the notification by the Ministry of Finance, the Unified Pension Scheme for central government employees will come into effect from 1st April 2025. This new scheme is designed as an option for central government employees currently covered under the National Pension System and aims to provide assured pensions to retirees, ensuring their financial security post-retirement. The implementation date is specifically mentioned in the text, making 1st April 2025 as the correct answer. So answer is D option. When and where will the 55th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum be held? Options: December 15 to 19, 2024 in France, January 20 to 24, 2025 in Switzerland, February 1 to 5, 2025 in Germany, and March 10 to 14, 2025 in Austria. And the correct answer for this question will be January 20 to 24, 2025 in Switzerland, in Davos. Let's see more on this. So, the 55th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum will be held in Switzerland from January 20 to 24, 2025. So, option B is correct. The World Economic Forum annual meeting traditionally takes place in Davos, Switzerland, bringing together global leaders from various sectors to discuss pressing world issues and economic matters. So, correct answer is 20 to 24 January 2025. When did the World Health Organization officially certify Georgia as malaria-free? Options are December 24, 2024, January 2025, February 2025, or March 2025. And I guess the answer is quite right. Answer will be January 2025. So, World Health Organization officially certified Georgia as malaria-free in January 2025. This makes Georgia the 45th country globally and the first in the WHO European region to achieve malaria-free status. The certification came after Georgia successfully interrupted transmission of three main malaria parasite species and demonstrated this interruption for at least 3 consecutive years, as required by WHO for malaria-free certification. And that's it in this session. I hope you learned great things with me in this session. I will meet you in the next session. Till the time we meet, bye bye. Take care, everyone. See you soon.